Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView to Deriv. First, ensure you have active accounts on both platforms. We will then generate an API token from your Deriv account, which is crucial for secure access. Next, I will guide you through entering this token into TradingView to establish the connection. This integration allows for seamless trading directly from your charts, enhancing your analytical capabilities and execution speed. To begin, log into your Deriv account using your credentials. Once inside, locate the Settings or Account Management area, then find the API Tokens section. Here, you will generate a new API token. Make sure to grant this token the necessary permissions, specifically read and trade, to allow TradingView to both view your account data and execute trades on your behalf. Copy this token immediately after creation. Now, open your TradingView platform. On the trading panel at the bottom, look for the Broker tab and select Deriv from the list of available brokers. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter your API token. Carefully paste the token you copied from your Deriv account into this field. Click Connect to finalize the link. Your Deriv account balance and open positions should now be visible within TradingView. After connecting, it is wise to perform a small test trade on a demo account first to ensure everything is working correctly. Always double-check your API token permissions to maintain security and only grant what is essential. If you encounter any issues, review your token permissions or regenerate a new one. This powerful integration streamlines your trading workflow significantly. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.